reminding passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
Today is another wire brushing day. We're going to clean this spring up and we're going to get it ready to paint and grease and put back together. Got new bushings coming for those ends. Got those knocked out yesterday, so ready to go on that. So let's get it in the vise and make rust dust. Alright, we got the majority of the rust off here. Boy, that was fun. Working on old cars is just a bunch of glory, isn't it? Yeah, yes. Oh well. It gives you something to do when you're retired. You know, you're just waiting for the inevitable. Alright, let's do something else. Well, we got a few things in the mail today. Let's see if it's anything we use. We'll do an unboxing video, which I hate, but that's kind of how it turned out. Alright, that's how much it cost. Let's see. These are, get them up here so you can see them. Bushings for the springs. More bushings for springs. More bushings. I think this was like a 16-piece kit. That is for the axle. Big washer for the axle I was missing. And here's what the bearings ride in. What did I do with that? I had a knife. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, there. Got 4 of those. Got another one of those. Don't need it. More bushings. Here's the kit for getting those little pegs out that there we go, that are stuck in the rear end, broken off and stuck. This is supposed to help me get them out of there. Supposed to be instructions. What else? More bushing. Kit. Oh, these. My bronze bushings, or not bushings, washers. Yeah, The real name for these escapes me right at the moment. But anyways, I need them. Got 2 of these. I'll be able to put that rear end back together pretty soon. More bushing. So, whole big box of parts. Driveshaft. This is the old. That's the old bushing that the bearing rides on. And here's a new one. And this has to go onto there. I've got it backwards. This has to go onto there. And this notch right there has to line up with that right there. Now, this is a really tight fit. And if you just go hammering that on there, you could end up with this thing cocked over to the side or whatever, and that's just not going to work. This is the bearing that goes in like that, see? And then that rides around on there. So, we got to figure out how to get that on there and have it tight, but still have it lined up with this keyway right here. So I guess if this is a little bit loose, it's no big deal because this keyway will hold it from turning. I got to think about this. I think a little heat might be required. Okay, I'd like to say it went great, but as you can tell, went on there so far, just could not go the rest of the way, ended up cutting it off. There's 18 bucks. So, I'm going to go in, take a shower, have some lunch, cry a little, order another part. Figure out what I did wrong. There's got to be a technique to this. I don't know it, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. Yep. Oh yes, everything just goes so smoothly. Oh yes, it's a snap. You can restore a car in what? 2 weeks? That's about what it takes. All right. Well, till the next time. Ouch.